Withdrawing funds from M1 Finance is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log in. Access your M1 Finance account via the app or website. Review your investments. Before withdrawing, ensure that you have enough cash available. If your funds are invested in stocks or ETFs, you will need to sell some or all of these investments. Go to your portfolio, select the investments you want to sell, and adjust their allocation to 0% in your pie or sell them directly. Sell investments. M1 Finance will execute the sell orders during the next trading window. The proceeds from the sale will be deposited into your account's cash balance. This process can take 1 to 2 business days. Initiate a withdrawal. Once you have cash in your account, navigate to the transfer section. Choose withdraw and select the linked bank account where you want the funds transferred. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transfer. Verify transfer. Check your bank account to ensure the funds are transferred successfully. The transfer might take a few business days to complete. Close account. If you're closing your account, ensure all investments are liquidated and funds are withdrawn before contacting M1 Finance customer support to request account closure.